Paano nga ba ginagawa ang multiplying, sum, and difference of two terms? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ang sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga lessons natin dito sa YouMore PH. And also, please share this to your friends, classmates, tita, tito, ate, kuya, teachers, mama or papa who also needs this lesson. Alright? And without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to continue discussing about this special product. Pero this is now part number 2. Alright? So yung una, we've discussed about square of a binomial. Paano ginagawa or paano sinusolve yung square of a binomial. Ngayon naman, we will be focusing on multiplying sum and difference of two terms. Ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat. Alright? Ito yung din yung pinaka-useful sa lahat kasi ito yung madalas na nagagamit. Alright? So, let's get to know more about this topic. So, multiplying sum and difference of two terms. So, just like what we had about the special product na square of a binomial, so we will be having also the pattern. So, may pattern din ulit na susundin dito sa ating pagsosolve. Ayan. And at iisa lang yung pattern nito. So, a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Ayan, napakadali. Ito lang yan. Alright. So, pero may condition din yan. So, same with the first one. Actually, lahat yan may condition. Okay? So, kung papansinin natin, pareho silang A, pareho silang B. Ano lang pinagkaiba? Yung plus saka yung minus. Okay? So, ginagamit ang special product na ito kapag nakita mo na yung loob, yung dalawang binomials na naka-times ay pareho, magkaiba lang sila ng sign. May plus yung isa, may minus yung isa. So, dito mo pwedeng i-apply yung ganitong sagot. A squared minus B squared. Sir, paano po kung ganito? Paano kung nauna yung minus? Tapos followed by plus. Pwede rin po bang gawin na ganyan yung sagot? A squared minus B squared? Yes. What's the reason behind that? Ang naka-times po kasi is commutative. Ibig sabihin, kahit pabaliktarin mo yan, the answer would be the same. Ito, example. 3 times 4 is 12. Pero kapag ginawa ko siyang 4 times 3, 12 pa rin. May nabago ba sa sagot? Wala. Kahit pa yan, pag bali-baliktarin ko yung dalawang yan, the answer will still be 12. Ganun din naman dito. Kahit pag baliktarin mo yan for as long as parehong position nila, parehong A ang nauna sa B, A sa B, tapos magkaiba lang ng sign. Alright? So, that's the condition for this one. So, ito lang yung magiging sagot. A squared minus B squared. Square the first term, square the last term, mai-minus mo, tapos ang usapan. Alright? So, let's go to know more about that sa mga examples natin. So, let's try to multiply the following. Pero before we do that, let us check muna. Check natin yung 4 para di masayang yung oras natin, kakasolve, hindi naman pala applicable, baka kasi hindi applicable. Alright? So, check natin. So, sabi ko kanina, dapat pareho ang itsura, magkaiba lang yung operation. May plus saka may minus. So, good siya, may plus, may minus. Pareho bang x? Pareho bang 3? So, check yan. Parehong-pareho, magkaiba ng sign. Parehong-pareho ba? Yes. May x, may 10, may x, may 10. Magkaiba lang ng sign? Yes. Kahit pa yan nagkabaliktad, okay lang yan. For as long as may plus and minus siya. Next. Parehong-pareho ba? X squared, 3y squared, 3y squared. So, parehong-pareho. Magkaiba lang ba ng sign? Yes. Magkaiba lang ng operation, so check ang letter C. Letter D, ganun din. 4m cubed, 4m cubed, 8n raised to 4, 8n raised to 4, plus minus. So, check yan. Alright? So, always check muna. Kasi hindi pwedeng i-apply mo lahat ng special product sa kahit saan mo trip. Hindi ito trip-trip lang. Nakadepende siya sa kung ano yung meron doon sa given sa atin. Alright. Let's continue. So, let's apply difference of two squares. So, tingnan natin yung pattern. So, sa uluhin yung pattern, a plus b, a minus b, is equal to a squared minus b squared. Actually, kahit hindi mo ito sa uluhin, ito kasi yung given. Basta alam mo yung given or familiar ka sa given, tapos dapat sa ulo mo lang yung final answer. Okay? So, katulad siya nitong pattern natin. Parehong-pareho pero magkaiba ng sign. Di ba? Plus and minus. So, how do we do that? So, bring down ko muna. Alright? So, just like our first topic, yung square of a binomial, kailangan mong mag-assign for A and B. So, kung ano yung nauuna, ito yung A. Okay? Ano yung nauna? That's X. So, yun yung magiging value ng A natin. Yung pangalawa, siya yung B. Okay? Ito A din, ito B din. Kasi pareho naman siyang X and 3. Pero sa una na lang tayo mag-base. Okay? Alright. So, ito ang A, ito ang B. So, that's the next step. I-label mo ano ang A, ano ang B. Pero kapag master mo na, kahit hindi mo na siya i-label. Alright? Ito ang final answer. Right? Final answer siya. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, ipapalit lang natin yung A dyan na naka-squared. Parang ganito. So, yung A, eto yon, papalitan natin ng value sa given. Ano ba yung A dyan? X. So, X yung nasa loob. Okay? I hope you're getting the point. Minus, yung minus I, fixed yan. Next, naka-squared ulit, yung B. Eh, ang kaso mo, ano ang B natin dito sa given? That is 3. Ayan. Ganun lang. Palitan yung A ng X, kasi siya ang value ng X sa given natin. Palitan yung B ng 3, tapos naka-squared pa din, kasi yung 3 ang value ng B natin sa given. Right, tapos solve mo na. Paano yan isolve? Isa-isahin natin. Ayan. So, we have, kapag naka-squared, hindi yan basta-basta tina-times. Ang common mistake, tina-times na ng x times 2, 2x, mali yan. Ang sinasabi ng exponent, i-times mo ako sa sarili. Alright? Times sa sarili. 2 beses. So, yan. X saka x. So, ganito yung magiging itsura. X times x. Kapag 3 squared, 3 times 3. Okay? Inuulit lang natin kung ilang beses yung nasa exponent. Kung 3 yan, dapat 3. Kung 4 yan, dapat 4 na 3. Kung 4 ito, dapat 4 na x. So, nakadepende siya sa exponent. Alright? Hindi ito pwedeng i-times lang basta. 3 times 2 is 6. That's incorrect. Yun ang common mistake. Wag na wag nyo nang gagawin. Wag na wag nyo nang ulitin. Okay? X times x, x squared. Laws of exponents dapat master. Integers dapat master. Para dito sa topic na to. So, explain ko muna ulit yung laws of exponents. Pinagpa-plus lang yung exponent nila. Kapag walang nakalagay, automatically 1. So, 1 plus 1, kaya siya naging 2. X squared. So, this is x squared. Minus 3 times 3. Yung 3 squared is 3 times 3, that is 9. Minus 9. Tapos, ang usapan. Alright? So, that's it. Ganyan lang siya kadali. X squared minus 9. Alright? So, ato ay shortcut, pero may shortcut pa akong ituturo sa inyo. Baka kasi mas makatulong sa inyo. So, do this shortcut kapag master nyo na yung pattern. So, huwag kayong didiretso dito kapag di nyo pa master yung pattern. Alright? Ganito yung ginagawa ko dyan. Tina-times ko na lang ito. X times x, x squared. Tapos, sa-times ko lang din ulit yung 3 saka 3. 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9. Final answer. Okay? Una sa una, huli sa huli, tapos ang usapan. Okay? Pero before you go here sa shortcut ng shortcut pa. Alright? So, practicein nyo muna yung pattern. Alright? Because as a beginner, lagi kayong start muna sa long process bago kayo mag-shortcut. Alright? Sige. So, let's have letter B. So, yung pattern natin, ganun pa din A plus B, A minus B, is equal to A squared minus B squared. So, same pa rin yan, kahit magkaiba ito ng kahit hindi ito plus, hindi ito minus. Pero, basta may plus, may minus, okay yan. Good ang ating condition. So that's x minus 10, x plus 10. Alright, label muna si A saka si B. So yung una is A, yung pangalawa is B. Alright? Sa una ka na mag-label. Kahit yung pangalawa, wag na. So, ayan. So, sa loob, naka-squared, minus sa loob, naka-squared. Ganyan siya. So, ano yung value ng A natin dito? That's x. Ano yung value ng B natin na naka-squared? That's 10. Alright? So, magiging siyang ganito. Isa-isayin ulit natin. So, x times x yan. X squared. Plus mo lang yung 1 dyan, saka yung 1 dyan, naging squared. Okay? Then yung 10, hindi yan 10 times 2. Incorrect yon. Dapat 10 times 10. Multiply sa sarili. That's 100. So we have minus 100. Kasi minus yung gitna. And that is now the final answer. Okay? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Ganun lang to kadali. Yung multiplying sum difference of two terms. Okay? So let me give you the shortcut. X minus 10, x plus 10. Una sa una, huli sa huli. Una sa una. X times x is x squared. Huli sa huli. Negative 10 times 10, that's negative 100. That is the final answer. So, same lang. Alright? Mas shortcut nga lang ito compared sa shortcut natin. Ayan. So, let me explain here. Ayan. So, explain ko din sa inyo. Bakit, sir? Diba? Yung B natin dito is negative. Tama ka naman dyan. Negative yung B natin dito. Pero, we should not forget na ito ay established pattern. Ibig sabihin, kinonsider na lahat ng sign bago pa nabuo yan. Okay? So, what do I mean by that? So, kaya ito naging minus kasi nga kinonsider na yung sign ng minus dito. Okay? Kaya, nung nag-substitute tayo dito, this is positive 10. Hindi na siya negative 10. Okay? Ayun. So, that's the reason why. Alright, let's move to letter C. So, x squared minus 3y squared multiply by x squared plus 3y squared. So, pattern muna. So, a plus b, a minus b, is equal to a squared minus b squared. So, dapat sinasabayan niyo si sir sa pagsusulat nito. Dapat kahit paano binabanggit mo siya ng paulit-ulit para at least ma-practice mo siya. Right? The more you say it, the more it will retain to your mind. Okay? So, x squared, proceed tayo. 3y squared times x squared plus 3y squared. So, this is A, this is B. Alright? So, parenthesis ka, tas may squared pa, minus parenthesis ulit na may squared ulit. Kasi ito yung pattern natin. Palitan mo yung loob ng A. A value, that's x squared. Okay? Palitan mo yung loob ng B. That's 3y squared. Okay? That's it. Tapos, solve natin separately. Kung master mo na yan, kahit hindi mo na i-separate pa yung solving, kahit i-diretso mo na yan, pero kung hindi pa, then I suggest isa-isahin mo para sure ka sa sagot. Di naman tayo pabilisan, patamaan ng sagot. Okay? So, x squared, tas naka-squared pa, 2 beses naka-times ang x squared. So, ganito siya. X squared times x squared. Okay? 2 beses. Kagaya nito, 2 beses din. 3y squared times 3y squared. So, since pareho ang base, x times x, pwede yung magsama. I-plus mo lang yung exponent. 2 plus 2, that is 4. So, we have here x raised to 4. Minus, ayan, dito naman, inulit natin yung 3y squared. Number by number, variable by variable. 3 times 3 is 9. Variable by variable kasi parehong y. Y squared times y squared, that's y raised to 4. Paano nangyari yun, sir? Pinag-plus lang yung 2 saka yung 2. Okay, so we have 9y raised to 4. And that is now the final answer. Do you want the shortcut? Let me show you the shortcut. X squared minus 3y squared times x squared plus 3y squared. So, una sa una, huli sa huli. X squared times x squared, x raised to 4. Huli sa huli. Negative 3y squared times positive 3y squared. So, negative 3 times 3 muna, negative 9. Y squared times y squared, y raised to 4. That is the final answer. Alright? So, that's how you deal with sum and difference of two terms. So, we are down now to our last example. So, I hope you're getting the point already. Sana nakakuha nyo na yung pattern. So, sabayan nyo si Sir dito para mas ma-practice or mas ma-retain sa utak natin. A plus B multiplied by A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Right? So, let me write this down muna. Plus 8n raised to 4. 4m cubed minus 8n raised to 4. So, this is A. This is B. Okay? So, pattern tayo. Ito yung magiging sagot. So, yung A squared minus B squared. Okay, ipasok mo yung A. Ano yung A value? That's 4m cubed. Tapos, ipasok mo yung B dito. That's 8n raised to 4. Isa-isahin natin para mas clear sa inyo. 4m cubed squared, hindi yan basta ito times. Ibig sabihin nito times by itself. 4m cubed times 4m cubed. So, what is 4 times 4? Kasi number by number tayo. 16. M cubed times M cubed, ipa-plus mo lang yung 3 saka yung 3. So, we have M raised to 6. So, that's 16M raised to 6. Minus, paano naman to? 8n raised to 4, tas naka-squared pa siya. So, ulitin mo lang yung 8n raised to 4 ng dalawang beses. Ayan. Tapos, 8 times 8, that's 64. N raised to 4 times n raised to 4, that's n raised to 8. Very good. Kasi nga, ipa-plus mo lang yung 4 saka yung 4. So, we have 64 n raised to 8. And that is now the final answer. Okay? Sir, shortcut. Sure, I'll give you the shortcut. 4m cubed plus 8n raised to 4. 4m cubed minus 8n raised to 4. So, una sa una, huli sa huli. Ayan, una sa una. Pero number by number pa din, variable by variable. 4 times 4 is 16. M cubed times M cubed, M raised to 6. Alright? 8 times 8, that's 64. Negative na yon. N raised to 4 times N raised to 4, dulo-dulo. That is N raised to 8. Final answer. Okay? So that's it. That's how you solve multiplying sum and difference of two terms. Now, I know that you are more than ready for our humor drill. So let me give you 2 items to answer. Alright? So I'll pause for a while now, and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So if ever hindi ka pa tapos, pause this video muna bago ka mag-proceed sa pagtingin ng answer. Alright? Let's answer letter A. Sa ating yung pattern, sabayan niyo si Sir. A plus B times A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Alright? That's it. Next, bring down 11x minus 12y. 11x plus 12y. So, this is A, this is B. Ayan. So, we have, ito yung pattern, minus, ganyan. So, 11x, ipasok mo dito sa una, 12y dun sa pangalawa. Okay? Next, solve natin separately. So, 11x squared, tapos 12y squared. So, this is 11x times 11x. Uulitin natin, diba? Tapos 12y times 12y. 11 times 11 is 121. X times x, x squared. Bakit squared? 1 plus 1. Okay, so that's 121. x squared minus 12 times 12 is 144. Y times y is y squared. Bakit? Plus 1 saka 1. Alright. So we have 144y squared. And this is now the final answer. Okay, shortcut. Sige. 11x minus 12y. 11x plus 12y. First sa first, last sa last. 11 times 11, 121. X times x, x squared. Minus 12 times 12 is 144. Y times y is y squared. Final answer. Alright, sige nga. Mention your answer or mention your score dito sa letter A natin. Let me know kung nakailan ka for this. Kung nakuha mo lahat ng process dito sa letter A natin para makongratulate kita. Alright, so let's proceed to letter B. So 7xy squared plus 9z cubed multiplied by 7xy squared minus 9z cubed. So pattern, sabayan niyo si sir. A plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Very good. So let me write it down muna. 7xy squared plus 9z cubed. 7xy squared minus 9z cubed. So this is a, this is b. So yung pattern natin, lagay ka dyan, minus, lagay ka dyan ng ganito, ipasok mo yung a. That's 7xy squared. Ipasok ko rin yung b dun sa kabila. That's 9z cubed. Okay, solve natin. So 7xy squared, squared pa. So, times ko to ng dalawang beses. So, 7xy squared, 7xy squared. Okay, what is 7 times 7? 49. X by x, y by y. So, yung x naka-raise sa 1, yung x dito naka-raise din sa 1. So, dalawang x na siya. Okay? Yung y naman, y by y. Dalawa yung y dyan, dalawa doon. So, i-plus mo lang, that's 4 na y. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay? So, that's 49x squared y raised to 4. Huwag kayong malilito ha. Hindi porket dalawa na yung variable, di mo na alam kung anong gagawin. So, syempre, variable by variable na same ang base. Yun ang pag-uusapan natin. Okay? Last. 9z cubed squared. So, 9z cubed times 9z cubed. 9 times 9 is 81. Z cubed times z cubed, plus lang natin. Z raised to 6. Okay? So, we have 81, z raised to 6. And this is now the final answer. Tignan ninyo mabuti yung sagot. 49x squared y raised to 4 minus 81z raised to 6. That's the final answer for letter B. So, let me know kung nakuha mang tamang sagot for letter B para makongratulate kita. Okay? So, let me show you yung shortcut. 7xy squared plus 9z cubed. 7xy squared minus 9z cubed. Okay? So, 7 times 7, I mean, first sa first, last sa last. 7 times 7 is 49. X times x is x squared. Y squared times y squared is y raised to 4. Minus 9 times 9 is 81. Z cubed times z cubed, that is z raised to 6. Final answer. Okay, this is z. Ayan. So, same lang. Ito yung shortcut ng shortcut. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot today. And I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned and enjoyed our topic for today. And if you did, huwag kang aalis na hindi ka nakakapag-subscribe and nakakapag-click ng notification bell. And also, don't you dare forget that you deserve more. You can learn more. And you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.